Hello everybody. Today we're going to go over how to enable screen sharing if you're on a Macintosh computer. Macs have recently enabled enhanced privacy and security features that require you to manually enable screen sharing inside of your system preferences in order for it to be available inside of your web browser. So it's very simple to enable screen sharing. All you need to do is open your system preferences. Click on Security and Privacy. Next, you're going to want to locate Screen Recording, and you're going to want to click the little lock icon in order to unlock being able to edit this particular system preference. And you're going to want to select the web browser that you're using. We highly recommend that you use Google Chrome for best compatibility across the virtual conference platform. So in this instance, you would just ensure that Google Chrome is selected in the screen recording option. And then you just close out of system preferences and go back to the virtual conference uh, and enable screen sharing, and everything should work properly without any issue. So hopefully that helps individuals who have a Mac and who have experienced problems with screen sharing. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.